don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me?
Annyeonghaseyo, hey, it's Lefty and welcome to the Lefty Vlogger channel. I know that everyone will agree with me when I say that Koreans are very stylish. They have a unique and captivating style, and that stylishness is called the Meot of Korea. For today's video, we'll be doing unboxing with the Korea's famous brand, the Gentle Monster, and I will try to emulate the Koreans' stylishness. So please join me and let's unbox this.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again, now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your feet.
Thanks for watching. Can you rate my Meot of Korea from 1 to 10? How's my stylishness?